No bounds.
No, plus.
Out of bounds.
That's what I think was out of bounds.
One, two, three,
That works.
Second down. Six-yard line. 6-yard line.
Let's go, Baker.
yo. Touch him, just touch him. No catch! No catch! No catch! Here we go. I got you.
Third down. Seven nothing.
Pick! Yeah! Oh, yeah!
He's not like that! He's not like that!
13 nothing.
He's running. He's doing that run shit. 3, 4. Come down!
Oh, pick that!
All the way, all the way.
All the way. All the way. Let's go, Kyle.
Second down.
Third. What's his nose?
Yeah.
Take out. Too many men. Doesn't matter. Good play, Shane.
How much time is left?
2, 3, 4.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Stay.
Go, forward.
I got a hold.
Thank you. He blocks now.
Half the distance.
We're here with Vincent. Call Vinny?
Yeah.
Vinny
Whatever you guys.
of Deville. They were up 27-zip. Dominant first half against the Bolts. Well, you guys are a well-oiled machine. Played together a lot. First time in RZFL. Welcome. Thank you. Thank you for
it's a nice,
coming out
welcome.
here.
Nice
Thank you,
welcome,
bro.
pick six.
Had a nice pick six. Let's talk about the play.
We were sitting in the middle. Shane was kind of, Shane does his own Shane thing. He's chilling in the flat, and I'm like, I'm just gonna kind of just sit here, see what happens. Try to throw it over my head. I'm a little short. I get it. Vertically challenged. I got hops, so I jumped up, grabbed it, pushed it left, right for the touchdown.
I do want to warn you. I'm not doing any predictions, but I do want to warn you. Put up 27 in the first half. We played 30-minute halves here, so there's a lot of time for the team to come back.
We're not
I just
stopping
want you to know. I know it's your first game here. That's what I'm saying.
I think honestly, our defense is better than our offense. But I mean, if we could just keep scoring and keep it not going our other way.
So how do you put this team away?
That's how we got to do it. If we don't do it now, then it might come back to hurt us.
All right. Good luck second half.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, guys.
27-zip. Deville lead Bolts second half. We're here with Chris of the Bolts. They're down 27-zip against Deville. Tough week one opponent, but the team's going to gel and get it together.
Yeah.
We've seen it before, so let's talk about the first half.
First half, I feel like the defense, we holding it up strong. Even though we all just started playing together, like you said, so we have to gel. Offense-wise, we got to pick it up, though.
Yeah.
We got to pick it up, but it's going to go. We're playing a tough opponent. Once I heard we versus Shane, I'm like, all right, we gotta lock in.
Well, to your defense, I know it's 27-zip, but to your defense credit, 2 of their scores have been pick sixes, so you have only given up 2 touchdowns to their offense in the first half. So just talk about how you guys clean that up, and
we just gotta.
You want to win, but at least make it competitive. Good showing in the second half.
By the next week, we'll be a way better team than what's happening. But that's it. We just gotta lock in.
All right, good luck second half, bro. Again, 27-zip, Deville lead Bolts, second half of me. Good
Coos on field!
Help him! Help him!
Yeah, go to Brian.
Help him! Help him!
You're not like that!
Brian, get him! Nick!
Stay on your people! Stay on your people!
You're not like that!
Nice one, Pat.
Oh my God.
You got that penalty, right? That's a block. Call the penalty.
It's from there though, right?
Yo, Griff, you can't. No, yo, it's a flag.
You're killing the clock. Go get it.
Guys, that's game. That's game.
Here with Nick of Deville, coming off a 34-14 win over the Bolts. You had an alright game. Pick 6.
He threw a touchdown too. The ref made a bad call. He threw a touchdown.
AZ has to know where he is. He was out of bounds on that. I think he threw a pick though.
Yeah, that was a dunk.
Talk about it. Talk about the game overall.
I mean, we look like we've been here before, so it's kind of easy.
Okay.
Not necessarily. I'm not saying
no,
like
no, it's already it's already out
but
there.
it was
Can't walk that back.
easier than we expected. So just happy for that. Didn't have to do too much. Forced a lot of turnovers, and that's what won us the game.
All right.
Shout out Shane. He got a groin injury. He might not be here next week.
So that's why you're getting the reps at QB?
Nah. I might not do that again. That was embarrassing.
Yeah, it was. It was, to be honest. It was. But
it's cold outside.
First game of the winter. All games won't be like that. You know that, as you know, a lot of these guys over here on this team. I'm talking about the Guardians. So just talk about how you don't get your team complacent to let them think that every game is going to be a mercy or a cakewalk.
I mean,
it might be, but you never know.
Gotta stay level-headed. You know?
Yeah.
We gotta expect teams are gonna be good. You know, and just come out ready to play, be focused, and just execute what we gotta execute. You know, they got baby unicorn. You know, for me, so it's easy.
Baby unicorn.
I'm off for a big unicorn. I'm the real unicorn.
Yeah, yeah. A great game, bro. Again, 34-14. Deville beats the Bolts. RZFL winter season. We out.